Welcome to this video where we explore the life and legacy of Alan Turing, a man whose genius changed the course of history. Alan Turing, a British mathematician, logician, and cryptographer, is known as the father of modern computing. His work was instrumental in breaking Nazi codes during World War II and laid the foundation for the development of the computers we use today. In this video, we present 20 fascinating facts about his life, his work, and the lasting impact he has had on science and technology. Join us on this journey to learn more about this visionary genius. 1. His childhood and early education. Alan Turing was born on June 23, 1912, in London, England. From a young age, he showed exceptional talent in mathematics and logic. During his childhood, his parents enrolled him in various private schools where his curiosity and intelligence stood out, even though he was considered an unconventional child due to his creative and independent thinking. These qualities formed the foundation of his future scientific contributions. 2. His fascination with mathematics and science. From a young age, Turing showed a great passion for mathematics and science. It is said that by the age of 14, he had already read and understood Albert Einstein's works, even questioning some of the physicist's conclusions in his writings. This deep interest in science led him to develop a logical mindset that would be crucial for his later achievements. 3. His friendship with Christopher Morcom. During his years at Sherborne School, Turing developed a special friendship with Christopher Morcom, a classmate who shared his love for science. Christopher's sudden death in 1930 deeply affected Turing, motivating him to dedicate himself even more to science in honor of his friend's memory. 4. His work on the Turing machine. In 1936, Alan Turing published his seminal paper, on computable numbers, introducing the concept of the Turing machine. This theoretical device, considered the precursor to modern computers, could perform calculations by following a set of programmed instructions. The Turing machine is fundamental to understanding computing and algorithms. 5. His studies at Cambridge and Princeton. Turing studied mathematics at the University of Cambridge, graduating with honors in 1934. Later, he earned a doctorate in mathematics at Princeton University in 1938. During his time at Princeton, he worked with renowned logician Alonzo Church and began developing ideas that would revolutionize computing and cryptography. 6. His role in World War II. During World War II, Turing worked at Bletchley Park, the British intelligence center dedicated to breaking Nazi codes. He led a team that successfully deciphered the Enigma code, a feat that changed the course of the war by allowing the Allies to intercept and understand the German military's secret communications. 7. The creation of the bomb machine. To crack the Enigma code, Turing designed a machine known as the bomb. This device automated the decryption process, enabling the rapid analysis of Enigma configurations. Turing's work is estimated to have shortened the war by at least 2 years and saved millions of lives. 8. His influence on artificial intelligence. Turing was a pioneer in the idea that machines could think. In his famous 1950 paper, Computing Machinery and Intelligence, he proposed the Turing test, a criterion for determining whether a machine could exhibit intelligence indistinguishable from that of a human. This concept remains a cornerstone in the field of artificial intelligence. 9. His relationship with modern computing. Turing's work laid the groundwork for modern digital computers. His theories on computation and algorithms are the foundation of computer science, and many of the technologies we use today have their roots in his discoveries. 10. His love of athletics. Turing was not only a mathematics genius but also a talented long-distance runner. He participated in several marathons and nearly qualified for the 1948 Olympic Games. For Turing, running was a way to release stress and reflect on his work. 11. His eccentric personality. Turing was known for being eccentric and unconventional. For example, he would chain his tea mug to a radiator to prevent others from using it, and he is said to have ridden his bicycle wearing a gas mask to combat allergies. His unique style made him both fascinating and enigmatic. 12. His personal life and the persecution he faced. Turing was openly homosexual at a time when it was illegal in the United Kingdom. In 1952, he was prosecuted for gross indecency and offered the choice of imprisonment or hormonal treatment. This persecution had a devastating impact on his life and career. 13. His tragic death on June 7, 1954, Turing was found dead in his home at the age of 41. The official cause was cyanide poisoning, though the exact circumstances remain debated. His death is considered one of science's great tragedies. 14. His legacy in human rights. The persecution Turing faced for his sexual orientation has raised awareness about LGBTQ+ rights. In 2009, British Prime Minister Gordon Brown issued a public apology for the treatment Turing received, and in 2013, he was officially pardoned by Queen Elizabeth II. 15. The impact of his work on modern science. Turing is widely recognized as one of the most influential scientists of the 20th century. His work in computing, artificial intelligence, and cryptography remains foundational in many scientific and technological fields. 16. Posthumous honors. In 2019, the Bank of England announced that Turing's image would appear on the £50 banknote, a tribute to his invaluable contributions to science and society. This recognition symbolizes the appreciation of his legacy. 17. Institutions dedicated to his memory. Numerous universities, awards, and organizations are named after Turing in his honor. The Alan Turing Institute in the UK is a leading center for research in artificial intelligence and data science. 18. Turing in popular culture. Turing's life has inspired books, plays, and films, with The Imitation Game, 2014, being one of the most notable. This film introduced his story to a global audience and highlighted the importance of his legacy. 19. His influence on the ethics of technology. Turing's work raised not only technical but also ethical questions. His ideas about artificial intelligence have sparked debates on the responsible use of technology and its impact on humanity. 20. A visionary ahead of his time. Turing was a visionary whose mind transcended the limitations of his era. His ability to imagine the future of computing and artificial intelligence makes him one of the most brilliant minds in history. Conclusion. This concludes our journey through the life of Alan Turing, a genius whose legacy lives on in every computer, algorithm, and technological innovation. His life teaches us the importance of curiosity, creativity, and the fight for justice. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell for more inspiring content. Thank you for joining us on this journey. See you next time.